This is Alyssa Shinta, and I am here presenting my Unit 4 project, creating a ritual object. I have chosen to create a poppet, which in the Wiccan religion is used to enhance magic being cast for or against somebody. My poppets have been made to resemble my husband and I. I was inspired to make them because my 3rd wedding anniversary is coming up on Halloween. Poppets are an example of sympathetic magic because the stronger the likeness between the poppets and the people, the stronger and more swift the magic is supposed to take effect. It's also said that to work better it's also said that the magic works better if you have a personal effect from somebody so that the magic bonds more strongly to them. My intention in making these was to represent our union or our joining together and also to empower our relationship. So what I've done is basically cut out a little gingerbread shape, a person-like form. I hand sewed those together, and then I've stuffed them with herbs and plants that in the Wiccan religion symbolize love and longevity, which are cotton, rosemary, mint, and rose petals. Just to create a stronger bond with our poppets, I use rose petals that I have preserved from my wedding bouquet. So some of those are stuffed down into our little poppets. And also I have included a copy of the vows that we wrote for each other. They're a literal translation of our love, so I thought that would bond the dolls more closely to us. As far as any symbols or visual vocabulary with the dolls, you can see I've used the colors pink and red. In the Wiccan religion, those symbolize both love and romance. And I sewed the poppets' hands together with a little infinity symbol, which I don't know if you remember, but I used that in my Project 3 on my Aboriginal map to represent marriage, so I thought I'd kind of tie the two of those together. All in all, I'm happy with my results. I really love the dolls. I think they're really cute, and I really love that they represent and symbolize everything about our marriage. The only thing that I wish that I could change is the fact that I ended up using googly eyes because it's really hard to paint on felt. And I just think it makes them look a little bit cartoony. And maybe if I ever do this again, who knows, I'd use beads instead or something like that. But I think they bear a pretty strong resemblance to my husband and I'm hoping that they bring a lot of prosperity, they bring prosperity and more love into our relationship that's already there. I'm going to be sure to keep them safe because since like creates like, I wouldn't want something to happen to them that would cause something bad to happen to my husband and I. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed my project, and I'll see you next time.